My name is Miss Hermes, and today we're going to be learning about clouds and rain together. To start out, I'm going to ask you guys a couple of questions, and I want you to pause the video after I ask them and discuss them with anyone in your household, or simply just to think about them to yourself. So, what is rain? Where does it come from? What makes rain fall? You can pause the video here. Now that we're back, we're going to be doing an experiment together. I want you to first grab out your activity sheet. In the section that says, "Where does rain come from?" I want you to think about this and draw a picture of what you think this looks like. Where does it come from? So you can pause again to do this quickly. Now we can get all of our materials ready. What we're going to need is some shaving cream, some blue food coloring, and a clear cup or jar. So our first step in our experiment is to fill our cup or jar almost all the way to the top with water. We want our water to be as close to room temperature as we get, or just warm is okay. But I filled my jar right up to here. I've already done my first step. So, after we've filled our jars with water, next we're going to grab our shaving cream. What do you think our shaving cream is going to represent? It's our clouds. Our shaving cream is representing our clouds. The water in the jar represents the air. And our blue dye is going to represent water or rain. So our next step is to put our shaving cream into our water. What do you think is going to happen when we put our shaving cream in? Let's find out. Okay, so we only want to do just one layer, probably close right to the top. Right, so now we have our clouds in our jar. The next thing we want to do is grab our blue dye. We want to be really careful when we're using this. How we want to add it to our jar is we're going to add many drops in one spot, but we're going to do that in a lot of different spots. So I'll show you. Here we'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 7 drops in one spot. And in another spot we'll do the same amount, about 7 or 8 drops. You can see it's already starting to fall. So this is showing us that rain builds up in the clouds, and when it gets too heavy for the clouds to hold, it starts falling down to the ground. I want you guys to observe the rain in your jar. Look at how the rain falls from the clouds. After you've had a minute to observe, grab out your activity sheets again. Now, I want you to draw a picture of your rain jar and what this looks like. You'll draw that in the section that says rain jar. After you've finished watching your rain and filling out your activity sheet, make sure you clean up all of your materials and put them all away. Now, we can all share what we've learned with our family members in our household. Thank you for learning with me today.